turtle. Well, never seen that like that before. Here he comes again. He wants to see it. There you go. It's a pretty big turtle too. I guess he's comfortable eating out of your hand. That is so cool.
I think we're done, huh?
You guys all done eating too? You gotta go down.
Wow, look at all.
Honey, if you go down, they'll come out. There's 3 of them right there. Here they come.
Oh, ooh. The duck nipped in. I don't know which one. Oh shit.
Here he comes. Here he comes. Okay, boys. I reckon we'll see you tomorrow. Glad you enjoyed our company. See ya.